Welcome to the Yorkshire Dales. It's currently 7 o'clock in the morning. As George eloquently put it in one of my Wales videos, we're in the middle of bumfuck nowhere. I think we're in Steen, just sheep going completely mad behind me. And we are doing the ride out today. We are going to be starting in Hawes at the Pennygarth Cafe, and then we're going to be heading out. I think we're doing like 150 odd miles or something like that, ending up at Squires. Quite a few of you said you're going to come, which will be really interesting to meet you all. Midgies everywhere. So yeah, let's get going. We're just going to pack up our bikes, get them ready. I need a coffee because I need a coffee. And I'll see you shortly.
Grouping initiated. Well, there's quite a few of us. I'm quite impressed. Oh, lovely. Is that Gary in front of you, Mark? Yeah, thought so. I told him we should all go to his fish shop and he'll give us free fish and chips at the end, yeah? I was going to say, Pete, if you want to pull over anywhere up here just so we make sure we've got everyone. Oh, what a view. Oh, don't go too far over. Well, I think that's us. So what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bikes I think we've got. Possibly even 13. As you guys will probably have seen, we've got Pete English up the front. His son, we've got Mark from Leeds, we've got Gary. We've got a few people that come up over 4 hours to come and meet us, so really appreciate you guys. Buttered subs pass. So, oh wow, look at that. Have I got to pronounce everything the way you guys do? Because it sounds really wrong otherwise. Buttered subs pass. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this is insane, mate. You did say there was a big drop off. I don't know what you're on about. Feel sorry, this guy behind me is just watching me wheelie and jump off everything. What a view, mate. What a view. When we stop for lunch, I'll dig the Insta360 out as well. What an amazing bit of scenery. I'm really jealous that you guys get this all the time. Well, I think the back part of the pack's broken off a bit, so do you know what, I might stop off and then I'll let you guys carry on and then I'll catch up. This guy's just done a wheelie out the corner. I'm now at the back of the group. This guy in front of me is wheeling everywhere. It's really funny. There we go. Man after my own heart. Where's the guy on the orange super adventure? Mark, there's not is there an orange super adventure in here where you are? Just want to make sure I've got everyone. I don't want to lose anyone behind. Pete, do you want to carry on until we get to the highest route and Mark and I go back? Oh, there's a jump here. Emma just went flying. Corking bit of road. Really good. Right. Tan Hill Inn. This is the Great British highest pub, yeah. Your wheelies! I was following him, it's right, let me message this guy, find out where he is. Hello. breeze is lovely. Dad, is Emma up the front with you lot? Oh, okay, cool. I just realised we left and I didn't even check. Oh yeah, I was going to say she's already been jumping. I was just worried about, you know, when you said earlier there's some you can jump off but just don't because there's immediately a corner. Wait, this is stunning. Just like we're riding through some tiny little road all the way around and there's just nothing about apart from sheep. And my bike is popping so much coming down these hills. Oh, this is awesome. Slow lambs on the road. Gary's just gone. Oh wow, this is amazing. Oh, that's tight on the inside. Oh, little river crossing. Oh, amazing. Oh, look at that view. Oh my god, this bike's quick now. What a day. Okay. I think Emma's been riding at a faster pace than she's normally used to. Jump. Right, ladies and gents, just had a lovely spot of lunch at the Charlotte something hotel. Well, we didn't really have lunch, we just stopped for a drink. We've got Jay Salvo with us. He's come out of nowhere, which is really good. Get back up into the hills. Well, it feels good to get moving. It is a warm day today. Oh, this bike is so much better now, it's been remapped. Jay in front of me has got his wife on the back and he's really pinning it out of the corners. Just like fair play. She must have a really good grip. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful day. What's quite nice is listening to the bikes in front of me with Arai exhaust on accelerate. It must be exactly what my bike sounds like. This is lovely, man. Really, really nice. Never been to Yorkshire Dales before, and it is absolutely stunning. I mean, the weather definitely helps. Definitely helps. Oh wow. Oh, nearly lost the Insta. Come around this corner. I think this comes, well, we're just touching on the edge of the Yorkshire moors down here. So we are in, what's this, marketplace, yeah, Helmsley. So I think we're going to get a bite to eat here. Let's get some lunch. Right, let's bounce. Right, that was Helmsley, everyone. my Insta360 recording? I can't actually tell. Yes, it is. Well, this is some good content. So, everyone watching on YouTube, we have just left Helmsley. We had I had a lovely pasty and a vanilla slice that is now all in my beard. Dad has now departed us. He has got to ride back to Cornwall tonight, so that's 400 odd miles from where we are, 6 and a bit hours. Pete and his son have departed as well. They've shot off because they live nearer to Helmsley, I think, so there's no point in them coming all the way to Squires with us. There's a few people waiting for us at Squires. I think we're going to get there and maybe have a bite to eat and then shoot off, because we've got 4 and a bit hours to get home as well. Today has been fantastic. The roads have been so good. I have to say as well, I'm really impressed with Emma. We've all been riding at very good pace. She's kept up with us all day long. She's never done this type of riding before, doesn't like the back lanes because she doesn't do them. She's done a very good job of keeping up with us, he says as she disappears. Oh, right, ladies and gents, we are nearly at the end of the ride. A few people have fallen off. Not fallen off. A few people have pulled off. Pulled off's even worse, isn't it? Someone crashing or someone pulling themselves off. Don't know what's worse. We have had a few people drop off, should I say. Fucking Jesus. Yeah, we've had a few people drop off. Some people are from Northants and whatever. That makes it easier for them to get home. We are heading to Squires, and then that'll be the end of it. So thank you very, very much for all of you that come. Sorry to write in your mate. I know you. We lost you right at the start, and then we tried to keep you up, and then you just shot off to Squires instead of trying to catch up with us. I have no idea what happened there, but judging from what you said, you followed the wrong guy. Taken in the wrong direction by a different guy, so who wasn't part of the group, so shame that, but never mind. Maybe next time. Hopefully at some point in the near future I'll do another ride slightly further south. I've actually really enjoyed this weekend in general. Really nice to meet some of you guys. I was saying to Mark from Leeds that it's nice that everyone that turned up just seemed like a really decent person. No morons, no one riding like a twat, no one riding dangerously, no one doing any of that. Everyone rode quick, but they rode well. And it was really nice to see, actually, really nice to see. So thank you very much for joining me. We're going to dip into Squires Caff and get ourselves some lunch, not some lunch, some dinner. Jesus, this bike's quick. Thank you very much to Pete English for planning a route and leading us along. And thank you very much to Mark from Leeds for joining me on my entire day of remapping yesterday, and then also joining me all day today. He helped out with all the routes and the guiding and everything. It's just been a general delight as per usual. Thank you to my dad for riding 6.5 hours, over 400 miles to get here. Like, fair play, mate, fair play. You sort of sit there and go, oh, I know a load of people watch this channel, but I never thought people would actually make a substantial journey to come and just to see me and go for a ride. Like, absolutely fantastic. Really impressed with you lot. Anyway, I'm blabbering on now, so because Squires is around the corner. So I will see you in next week's video. Fappage.